Modern Combat Versus with the Black Shark 3 ninjas. I'm not able to unlock the 90 FPS frame rate. I don't know why, ninjas, if somebody can help me. I could do it with the Xiaomi Mi 10 example. Running full speed, 60 FPS. Great game, love the graphics, love the weapons and everything. Love the sound effects also. Can you just, you get the point. Can you just, we're gonna test the Call of Duty Mobile over the Black Shark 3 on maximum. Basically the frame rate is maximum, but later on I'm gonna also include the very high, but it's gonna drop to very high frame rate, which is 45, not 60 FPS. Anyway, let's begin. Wait a minute, it's not 60 FPS, it's running at 30 FPS. Interesting. Don't tell me if the frame rate at maximum is, let me see, maybe that's at menu, but let's go into the game now. Stay tuned. Okay, everything is fine. It is running 60 FPS. That was just in the menu running 30 FPS. You can see myself, I'm having the FPS counter enabled.
We lost the lead.
Hey, battery temperature is really great. CPU frequency very, very low usage there in real time. This game is not that demanding at all, ninjas. Since the power, the CPU doesn't even have to use like 50% of its power at all. Double kill.
We lost the lead.
Oh, he killed me. He killed me. The dude killed me. Let's go, let's go. From the other side.
Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
Still 60 FPS.
Grenade out!
He didn't even saw me, bro. Perfect. But let me just use the weapon.
Let's go this way. Tied for the lead. It's too close. Fight hard. Lost the lead. Tied for the lead. We lost
You
the
get the
lead.
point, Nijas.